Hey YouTube family, this is Aliska. I have two sister locks here that I combined together because one was extremely thin, and so now I have two strands of braids coming from one braid. So now I am going to take them and I'm going to put them together using a dreadlock needle, crochet needle, and it has 3 hooks on it. Can you see it? 3 hooks on it, and it's kind of sharp, folded at the end. This is 0.75 millimeters thick. So I'm going to show you how I put them together. I just hold them together and I just go in and out so I can connect them to make one, so I don't have 2 sister locks coming out of one. And so again, this is a dreadlock crocheting tool. And I bought the 3-pack. I think I paid like $10 for it, $9.99. And it came with 3 of them. And I'll show you here in a minute. This is the one with 2 on it. And this is the one with 1 crochet and hook on it. So I'm using the 3 because it's much faster. So I'm still new at this though, but I just decided to play around instead of paying someone to fix them for me and combine them together. So you just start at the base and you just kind of go in and out. And I take the crochet and I take it towards the braid and I pull it through both of them, and then I pull through and I just keep going on down the braid. And I think when you use the one with the 1 crochet hook, it takes longer. So this one, based on my research, it's supposed to be faster. And you do have to be careful because you will stick yourself several times and push the skin off of your finger. So I'm just going down and I'm kind of like pulling it through and hooking it. And I'll have to do it maybe several times in order to close it all the way up. I just did 2 of them before I actually recorded. So, and I want to combine them so I don't have 2 sister locks coming out of one. Now, also, too, I was thinking about cutting one of them off and adding it to a shorter sister lock. But I don't want to reveal my hair just yet to you all, because I'm going to show you some different styles that I like to put my hair in, quick styles. So stay tuned. Let's see how far I have gotten. So this is the one I just combined, and it's still open a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to continue. I'm going to go down one more time, and again I take the needles or the crochet hooks, go through both sister locks and just pull and unhook and pull so they can snatch each other. So it's like I'm pulling them inside of each other, intertwining them. Together. And let's see. I'm watching a movie called I See You, and my husband. And I always sit here and play with my hair, and sometimes I go through and retighten ones that I feel that have new growth. Since this pandemic has been going on, the person that locks my hair retightens. My hair has not been open. Ah, look at that. It's not split. So I'm going to do it one more time just to tighten it up. And I don't know if you could see it here. So it's all one instead of two. There's no gaps or holes. I'm going to go down and do it one more time. It took me a while to learn how to do this. Some people, if you're just trying to put hair back inside of a lock, you just go in and out. But this one I have to actually go through both strands, and then I trying to pull the other strand inside each other, and it'll make like a snag sound. And that's when I take it and unhook it like that.
Look at me like that.
So I think I pulled it loose when I did it. And I'll just do this a few times just so I can tighten it up, any gaps or any holes. Like and subscribe and let me know if you have any questions. This is how I've been maintaining my locks. Again, I will start revealing my hair so you can see how it looks when I wear it down. I'm trying to get this little end piece, and there it goes. I kind of pulled it apart, so I'm gonna do it again a few times. All right, let me know what you think. Here's the end results. There's no gaps, there's no holes in it. That I combined. Hi YouTube family, this is Aliska, your thin hair